Hi, I'm Shelley Fishel from Tomorrow's VA.
In this tip, we're going to learn about using the home ribbon. Now, most things that you do live on one of the other ribbons or on a menu in PowerPoint 2016 for Mac. So I have the insert ribbon to go and insert pictures and shapes, and then we get to, once they're selected, you get the shape format ribbon, which gives you the option of changing how they look. And if we're talking about a picture, selecting the picture gives us the picture format ribbon and allows us to do things there. So what I want to show you is how you can actually use the home ribbon to do some of those things, but not all, which is quite handy. So starting up on this slide here, on the right hand side of the home ribbon, I have the option of adding in a picture. So when I choose picture from file, I can choose one of the photographs in my photo folder, and then I can resize it and pop it where I want it to go in my slide. And then I need to select it and get the picture format toolbar in order to style it. However, let's say I want to add a shape into my presentation. Then I have the shapes option here, and I can choose any one of the shapes and add them in. So we can, quite nice to have a smiley face. And I can also add a text box and say, we've got a smiley face over there. So let's move that text box down, and we've got a smiley face. And let's just go all in and stick an arrow pointing to the smiley face. So there we've got various things that we can do right from the home ribbon itself. Now I also have this arrange button, and what this allows me to do is reorder things or align things. So when I pop these shapes on top of each other, let's say I actually want my yellow shape to go to the back and my blue shape to be at the front. So I can send the yellow one to the back, and I can bring the blue one to bring it forward. So now I've changed the way they are. If I select all of them, I can go to Reorder Objects, and it kind of puts all the objects in my presentation sideways on, and you can see the numbers, and I can move that one to number 1. Where's the picture? Let's move the picture over there. And when I come out of that by pressing escape, it swaps it around. So I've got things I can do there. By selecting the shapes, I can also use the shape quick styles, which now live here. I could make them all blue, and I can change the shape fill and the shape outline. My point being that you don't have to remember where those things are, because they all exist for you right there on the home ribbon.
To find out more about using Microsoft Office in your VA business, head over to www.tomorrowsva.com, where you'll find a wealth of extra information. We have a very active blog, and you'll also get access to our brilliant online training.